So today, finally, the suspension from RSC has arrived for the Spider. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are, relatively small, unassuming, but not very lightweight box, all the way from Switzerland, turned up today. I've been waiting for this now for around 18 months and a total fuck up at the end with customs. I thought it was coming from Germany, but it actually came from Switzerland. So long story short, £900 custom bill added to the total cost of this kit so far, which is not cheap, but oh well. It's the first kit in the world. Arno at RSC might correct me if I'm wrong in that, but this is the first kit in the world for the Renault Spider. So custom colours, custom setup. Arno has had it on his Spider. He's got a Spider too. He's a massive Renaultsport fan, the guy who owns RSC, and he has had it on his car. He's tested it. He has set the ride height to what I wanted, which should hopefully be the same on my car when we put it on. So I think it's kind of worth it really to pay that for what you're getting really, which is a one-off custom suspension setup. Obviously people can now buy this kit. I was the guinea pig. So you're very welcome, anyone else who gets this kit for the Spider. So I will do a review at some point in the not too distant future, I hope, to give people some feedback, maybe help them in the decision to buy it. Like I say, not cheap, but I've had the RSC stuff on my Megane and I've seen it with other cars and it is very, very good. So I would expect this to be a fantastic upgrade to the car, and obviously it's going to sort out the comical ride height. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got. I was surprised by how small the box was. So we've got our little envelope here from RSC, which has in it the obligatory stickers and the warranty card and the kind of guarantee and other information on the suspension kits that RSC do. You can see the Megane there on the back. I'll put the price up in the video for this kit as it stands today in pounds. Like I say, not cheap, but I hope worth it. So we've got our little can of WD there to sort of spray stuff down, lubricate things.
Give your meat a good old rub.
That always comes with the RSC kit. We've got, these are the adjustable drop links. So RSC drop links, front and rear, part of the kit. And again, these didn't exist before Arno built these for my car. So that's pretty cool. And now we've got the other ones. Those are the fronts, the long ones are the rears. Let's have a look. That looks awesome. I'm terrible with decision making, as people may know from the wheels that I got for the Spider, how long it took me to decide on those. A lot of the delay with this suspension was Arno waiting for me to pick the colours, essentially, because it took me a while to work out, because he said, you can have any colours you want. So I went for yellow to match the existing Bilsteins on the car, and I went for gloss black, so it's kind of like the F1 Renault colours. This colour combination is only for me, so nobody else will be able to get this colour combo for the Spider. The existing kind of combos that Arno does is either the standard RSC colours, or it'll be, you think it's yellow and grey, it's silver, it's blue and grey, and it's red and grey, so it matches the Spider colours, but I've got slightly different. So let's get the rest of them out of the box and have a little final look.
12 seconds later.
So there we go, all unboxed. Initial thoughts are, quality-wise, exceptional, as you'd expect from Arno RSC. I love the colour combo, really chuffed with that. The little brackets there, they are to space out the dampers at the front because these little knuckles almost touch because it's very tight. But I'm well excited to get these on the car, which will be an upcoming video very soon, I hope. And the main reason for getting this was to sort out the comedy ride height that the car has. I mean, look at that sort of distance there is insane. It's like a beach buggy. So I'm really looking forward to getting rid of that. One thing that I love about the RSC, obviously I'll do a proper review at some point, as I've said, but one thing I love about the RSC is that they've only got one dial there. to adjust between hard and soft. So it's the dampening and rebound in one. And I like that because having KW in the past, which are shite, by the way, anyone watching this thinking about buying KW, please don't. They don't deserve the reputation that they've got. Their shit fails and rusts and seizes all the time. It's known rubbish. But suspension like KW has got fucking dials and knobs all over the place that you've got to muck about with. You don't need that complication, and RSC kind of proved that by just building very good dampers and just having the settings all on one dial, which is more than enough for me at the very least. So there we go. That is it for this video. Like I say, I'll hopefully link to the video of me fitting them when I do that video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Exciting times.